Divvy in the bivvy. Yeah, hi guys. So we got up here yesterday about 8 o'clock in the morning. Bill's had, I think, 6 or 7, and I've had just the 2. Biggest is £37. Bill, second is biggest, mine £35. So hopefully we're going to get a few more out, and let's see what happens.
Trying to get in the bushes, see?
You must have the alarm set too far back. It's quite small one, isn't it? Yeah, just make sure it's not upset. Okay, back on.